The world has changed. Sickness, the outside influences, our mental state, physical bodies, and our environments have forever been altered. Synthetic medications, expensive doctor visits, and the masking of the issues we all face in our lives is no longer an option for smart people. The Band-Aid is coming off. Wellness has now become the main focus for those seeking a more proactive and responsible lifestyle. So many different modalities have now become part of a daily routine for so many. Yoga, breath work, nature, regular exercise, meditation, food, spending time with family, and rest, and so much more is what people are seeking. People are searching for a simple, effective way to bring their bodies into a more balanced, healthy state, free from stress, anxiety, disease, pain, and discomfort. Our health is our responsibility, and the time is now. One of the top 10 most advanced technologies to change the world's lifestyle is finally here. Welcome to the powerful benefits of the terahertz frequency and 3-in-1 core technology. Albert Einstein said, "The future of medicine is frequency." And now this portable device is here today to assist your body to naturally achieve a balanced state, a state called homeostasis. Tens of thousands of testimonials and happy customers in over 50 countries have made this the #1 terahertz frequency quantum technology device of its kind. It has been called the wave of light, the light of life, and God's waveband. It is simple to use. Spending just minutes a day, you'll begin to feel more energy as your cells begin to energize and repair. The old cells leave and new life begins. There are 8 steps to better health, and the iTeraCare device provides these benefits: eliminating unhealthy cells, activating INERT cells, increasing self-healing, clearing of your meridians and your lymph, improving microcirculation, regulating glands, removing water retention, and increased circulation. You'll have better looking skin, improved circulation, pain relief, and faster recovery. Ancient Greek philosopher Hippocrates said, "If there's a way to heat the bones, then all diseases can be treated." No more waiting, no more wondering, no more wasting time, money, and energy. Your best health awaits. Your time is now to free yourself from the discomfort, pain, and stress. iTeraCare is here. Are you ready to experience your best? Get blown away. Take care with iTeraCare.